Hi, how much for this one to Malin Plaza? 200 baht, eh? 150 is fine? 150, okay. So we're gonna go on this tuk-tuk.
How cool is it in here?
So we managed to find this tuk-tuk to go to Malin Plaza, which is one of Phuket's most famous street food markets, in order to try a pad thai, which is one of Thailand's most popular street food dish.
And also we were hoping to find some sticky rice and mango, because apparently that is a popular dessert here. But how cool is this tuk-tuk?
I feel like we have to hold tight on here because we don't know how this ride is gonna be. But it's actually so well designed. You can see over here it's got some lights that they have at night. But look at the sound system. I can imagine at night that so many people take these tuk-tuks from bar to bar around here in Patong just for the music. I mean, inside here it must be like its own little club. It has no door over here, so we have to keep our things very tight.
We got handles to hold on here if we need to, and these cool comfortable chairs.
But this is super cool. I didn't think we'd be actually going on one of these, but I know in our previous video we actually really wanted to go.
These tuk-tuks seem to be a very popular mode of transport around Patong. Other than the motorbikes, I'd say this is the second most popular mode of transport. There are just so many. You can see them all parked alongside of the road.
Hello. What's up, guys?
Clearly enjoying their ride as well. There's a Hard Rock Cafe and a Hooters over there. What's great about this tuk-tuk is we're getting to see parts of Patong that we haven't been able to explore yet, just because it's a little bit far for us to walk.
And we have arrived here at the Malin Plaza. Oh, woo! Thank you very much. Eh? 150, eh? Okay, so the mission is to find some pad thai.
We've timed this over lunchtime, so I am super hungry, which means we are going to try as much food as possible. Oh, there's mango and sticky rice over here. That looks delicious. Now that we know where the mango and sticky rice is, now we just have to look for the pad thai so we can eat that and go back to the mango for dessert.
Pad thai 80. You guys have pad thai?
Yes, sir, pad thai.
Yo, do you smell that? Yo, there's some strong smells over here. How much your pad thai?
With chicken, 80 baht, my friend.
80 baht with
80
chicken and a
baht
pad thai.
for
They've got some squid on a stick over here. Do you want squid?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
You got pad thai?
Yes, sir, pad thai. They're only 80 baht.
80 baht. So everybody 80 baht.
No, this is seafood 1 baht.
Oh, okay.
There's so many people selling pad thai, so we're definitely going to have a hard decision of which one we choose.
Yes, can you please get one with chicken?
Okay.
One, yeah, thank you.
So we found the place where we're going to have our pad thai, and I'm really looking forward to this. My stomach is grumbling. There's so many lovely aromas actually walking around this market, which is making me so much more hungry.
Thank you. Enjoy, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Oh, this is a huge plate of food. This is definitely going to fill the both of us.
Right in front of me we have the pad thai, which I'm super excited to taste. This is one of Thailand's most famous dishes, so I just can't imagine the flavors. But we were busy watching them make it, and they actually started cooking the chicken first. They put in an egg. Right after that they added the bean sprouts and spring onions, and they mix it all together with the noodles and added some extra spice on it in order to give it this whole flavor. We've never tasted one, so this is going to be the first time. I'm not really used to eating with Chinese chopsticks, but let's give this a go. So I'm going to grab some chicken, some bean sprouts, and some noodles.
Are you running away with that whole plate?
Wow, there's a little bit of a spice that is hitting my throat, but there's sweetness in there, there's spices in there, there's flavor inside there. Wow. I don't know if it's a sauce that they put inside of here, but you can taste the noodles, you can taste how crispy the chicken is. It is just a whole abundance of flavor. I can imagine why this is one of Thailand's best dishes. Baby, this is amazing. You're gonna love that.
Okay, let me try some as well. It smells good. That is very delicious. He asked us if it should be spicy or not spicy, and we asked him to go in between.
You like spicy or not spicy?
Medium.
Medium spice. Yeah. And it's just got the perfect amount of spice. I think this will be my go-to meal when not knowing what to order at a restaurant.
I think this has to be one of the best meals I've had in Thailand, and no joke.
Ooh, crab stick. I definitely have to have one of those.
It looks like they're grilling it on this little burner that they have here, and ours is literally the only piece. Have you had crab like this before?
No, I haven't. I've only had crab in like sushi, so I don't know if it's the same.
Well, today we're gonna find out. It does look super delicious though. Like, I never thought I'd be eating this as street food. Usually you go into a restaurant for such things, but I'm not gonna lie, the food over here looks a hell lot better than a restaurant.
And it's been tastier so far.
Man.
40 bahtค่ะ
Thank you. Okay, so let's try some crab sticks. Ooh, they're a bit hot. That is very yummy. Super soft and got a very nice flavor on it. It's very salty. Seeing as they gave me a sweet chili sauce, I'm gonna try and see what it tastes like with the sweet chili sauce. Oh, it was very soft and easy to pull off the stick. Definitely much better with the sweet chili sauce. This is super yummy as a little snack. Tastes very similar to the crab I would have in sushi, but it's yummy. I really like it.
Ow, it's hot. Mother chicken wing.
Mother crab stick.
Mother crab stick. I've just gone straight for the sauce. It's quite soft and cheesy. I was actually expecting it to be hard and crunchy, but it's very, very soft. It's almost like a cheese. This is so good. It feels weird to be thinking that I'm eating crab.
After those crab sticks, I'm so full, but I still have to try the mango sticky rice.
Hi, can I please get one mango and sticky rice, please? Thank you. Kopung kap.
Got a full mango and some sticky rice, and they've given us a sauce, which I assume goes on top with, I would say, little Rice Krispie thingies.
I'm not sure what that is.
We'll try it. Ooh, that's like a coconut milk.
Is that coconut milk that you're going to put over the mango and the
Yes.
sticky rice?
Yes.
That sounds delicious.
This is definitely my type of dish. The sticky rice is actually very sweet, and then you can taste the coconut milk that I put on top, and then the mango adds that little bit of a zing, if you could say that. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super, super yummy. The rice is so perfectly cooked, so it's like not crunchy but not too soft, and the mango is perfect. I would say is perfectly ripe. This is yummy.
I myself am not a fruit person, especially a mango person, but when in Thailand you have to try things. And when you try things, Thailand might just convince you to eat mango from now onwards, because this is so damn good. How did I never not like mango before?
I have no idea. If you know me, I am not one who enjoys too sweet dishes. So this is like the perfect sweetness. It's not overpowering. So it's really, really good. I'm in heaven right now. It's so good. This is by far, out of the 3 days that we've been here, the best food that I have tasted. And it's gonna take a lot to top this.
Now that has to be the best street food I have personally ever tasted. And Thailand beat my expectations. That food was absolutely divine.
If you think that there are any other dishes we should be trying here, please comment that below. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and we'll see you again in the next one.
Wow, 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 wow. That is freaking delicious. Yo, baby, that is so good. Hurry up, because I really want another bite. That was very good, hey? The number one was the best.
Thank you
Thank you.